Hello ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Just Do It Yourself channel, and today we have 2020 Chevy Traverse and we will be replacing the left tail light. As you can see, it got damaged by the hail, so let's get to it. So to remove the headlight, there is a kind of lip behind the bumper, so we need to pull this bumper cover off. First we need to remove this plastic trim, at least to this point, so this bumper piece can get loose. So you just pull it off. Try to go straight towards yourself. Something is breaking, so I will leave it like that for now. So as you can see, that white plastic stays in and this trim started to break, so we'll just go with the pry tool. So I'll go with the pry tool behind that white clip, try to pry it out. It's getting stuck, so we'll pry out, help ourselves with a little screwdriver just to press that clip. So now it's out. So the whole point of removing it was to get to this 7mm screw. Okay, so next we need to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 Torx screws that hold the fender liner to the bumper. So it's T15 socket, and there is no much room for the impact, so if you don't want to remove the wheel, you will need to use a little ratchet to do that. Other option would be to use electrical one, so I will leave links to parts and tools in the description to the video. Next we'll go ahead and remove the 7mm screw. And when you do this job, it's nice when all the plastic is warm and not frozen, so warm garage is good. So next we'll try to get this bumper loose. Just pull it off from the top. Okay, now we move to the back of the car and we will remove all those plastic covers, which are honestly really cool. They are covering every bolt. Just shows the level of details on this car. So you pry them from the bottom, not like I did. So same this one actually went from the top. Same this one. So those are all 7mm screws. So next we'll go ahead and remove those 7mm screws from the tail light, as well as from the bumper. Next we will remove this T20 screw. It seems like it's holding bumper too. Comes with the big washer. So at this point we will try to move this bumper away. Okay, so at this point we will just try to pry this bumper back. So that should give us enough leverage, enough room to move that headlight. So next I will just put a rag behind the bumper so it's kind of out of the way. Alright, so I just tested the new light, or to be exact, the old used one. So install the plug. The new light itself is around 800 bucks. The used one you get somewhere between 200 and 300. So here's the thing. We need to slide this piece on this clip, then 1, 2, 1, 2 just go straight directly. So we just need to pay attention that we do that properly. So we will get it positioned. If you keep it as close to the body as possible, that would be. Okay, so now it sits in place. We can put the screw back in. So I will start with those two 7mm screws. It goes to the tail light first. Just do this one. Now we'll remove our rags. And we'll get the bumper back in. We just need to push it. Okay, so there's the weather stripping. Got caught. It's weather. Next we'll get the rest of the bumper all the way in. Just like that. Next we'll put back in two screws that were in the bumper itself. We put those plugs back in. I really like them, honestly. So normally you can see screws right away. This gives this nice finish touch. Next we'll put that T20 screw back in. Next we'll put that 7mm screw that holds the bumper corner. Just use the ratchet. Okay, next we'll clip this trim back on, though there's a small lip, so you need to put it in behind the bumper first and then press it in. So next we'll reinstall those T15 4 Torx screws with washers. They just hold the fender liner to the bumper using the same ratchet. And that should be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please check the links for those amazing tools and parts that you would need. As I mentioned, for the tail light, it's either dealership or auto wrecker. The second one is way cheaper. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And as always, just do it yourself. Take care, guys.